Here's our top development. New videos of the Karur tragedy are being circulated across social media platforms. These videos show the confusion that resulted after the stampede. One of the videos show a man throwing a slipper into the crowd when they were pushing towards Vijay's cavalcade. Another video shows a person desperately trying to get Vijay's attention. He was trying to tell Vijay that people have died during the stampede. During the stampede, several people had fainted because of the suffocation. Video has also showed us that several TVK cadres had also fainted at the site. Vijay's road show in Karur on September 27th ended in tragedy after a stampede claimed lives of 41 people, many of whom were women and children, and left nearly 100 injured as well. These are the videos that we have been speaking about. These have gone massively viral on social media. Videos captured from different angles. A person here is throwing his slipper into the crowd, trying to catch Vijay's attention, trying to tell him that people have died during stampede at his rally. People fainted because of suffocation. They are having difficulty while navigating through the route. This is the man who is trying to catch Vijay's attention. He's actually making gestures, trying to show TVK's Vijay that the situation on ground is bad. My colleague Thoya Jakshi is joining us live on the broadcast to provide us more context. Thoya, these videos that we have, collected from social media, these are clearly showing that people were trying really their best to tell TVK's Vijay that the stampede has gone beyond control. People have died. In fact, we are now reporting some of the TVK cadres also fainted because of suffocation over there.
But it's actually in the recent stampede tragedy that claimed 41 lives in Karur, where you can see that the scene, on the video, on the frame, you can see the visuals of people fainting, and there are some people who are carrying them and trying to save their lives. You can also see that visuals which is going viral on social media, where it is showing that, how bad the tragedy looked like and how bad the tragedy unfolded. In one video, you can see a man throwing a slipper to just gain Vijay's attention, to show that people are losing life here, people are fainting. And on the other video, there is a man who's showing gestures, by saying that people are dying here. There are so many people dying, and please come and help. These were the gestures shown by the people when the tragedy unfolded on the 27th September during Vijay's rally in Karur. You can see that these videos are going viral on social media, and you can also see that how bad the situation turned out to be. But yet Vijay didn't stop his speech. You can also listen to the background noise where Vijay is speaking. But on the other hand, this was the ground reality when the tragedy unfolded, where you can see that people were fainting. There were people who were trying to help them. There were also people, who were trying to gain Vijay's attention. But, on the other hand, there were allegations that, there were people throwing slippers, but this is the situation that, unfolded, that people were trying to gain his attention by throwing slippers so that at least, they will know what exactly is happening. But even after this kind of incidents, these kind of, videos started going viral on social media, now that you can see people know who was that person who threw slipper, who was that person who tried to, gain Vijay's attention and showing gestures that this was the crowd, this was happening when, people were fainting. But you can also see that, yet after, even when people were fainting, Vijay didn't stop his speech. He continued, speaking, but didn't notice this was the situation on ground. But the moment when a man who fainted right in front of Vijay's motorcad. At that point of time, Vijay realized that something is wrong, and that is when he threw a water bottle from his bus, and he started giving to that to people that try to help that person, give him some water. This was the conversation made by Vijay while he threw a water bottle when he saw a man who fainted right in front of his eyes, Sakshi.
So, yeah, Jakshi, I can see the visuals coming in that we have collected here for the viewers of News 9. While we spoke about this man, we are again playing out his video for the viewers on their screens. He is desperately trying to catch attention of Vijay, who happens to be on, stage for the rally, of course. But there is another video where I can see a person fainting and CPR being conducted. The resuscitation processes were happening on his body. If you can tell us that, TVK has taken cognizance of such visuals, if they have released any kind of statement with regards to that. We do have a response coming in from Vijay. But what about this man who tried catching his attention? What about those people who tried having some sort of communication with the leader there on ground while people were drying?
Well, Sakshi, this live visuals were not captured on TVK's live link, which they provided for the day's rally. But these videos, which are currently making a noise in social media, these are the videos that fans have captured, and they have put out these videos and showed that this was the situation. This is how the stampede, tragedy unfolded on 27th September. So basically, you can see that, in that visual, the man is carrying another man and trying to save his life. There are people who just fainted, and there are people who just collapsed. You can also see another person giving a CPR to another person in the crowd itself. You can see that people are standing on top of the people who are already fainted. These videos, were put out by the TVK cadres on the social media, which is currently creating a huge havoc in the state of Tamil Nadu, Sakshi.
Right. So, yeah, any statement coming in from rest of the political parties on the same? What kind of investigation is happening at the moment? We do have the NDA delegation flying down, to Karur to taking cognizance of the situation there on ground and also making their own report with regards to what exactly had transpired on that fateful day. But what's next in terms of the investigation? How far has it reached?
Well, Sakshi, it is an important day today because an important hearing that is going to come up in the Karur Stampede case at the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court, where you can today there are three cases. There are totally four cases which will be which will be heard today, under the Justice Senthil Kumar, who will be hearing these four cases ahead on Karur Stampede case. One is the anticipatory bail, which was applied by the TVK General Secretary Pusya Nanda. The second case will be the local from Karur who has filed a petition at the Madurai bench seeking to stop further rallies and public meetings for TVK until the probe is completed. Then the third is the TVK election in charge, Ada Bachana's side, has filed a petition at the Madurai bench seeking for a CBI or an SIT probe into this matter. The important one is why is actor Vijay's name not on the FIR? So these four important cases will be heard today at the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court. That's the latest that we are getting over here, Sakshi.
All right, Thoya Jakshi, if I could also ask you, is there any statement coming in from the state government and what are the new guidelines coming into the picture after this tragedy struck the state?
This the latest, the state government, they've also, the recent update that from the state government we are getting is to not where we also saw that Chief Minister releasing a video telling them not to spread, rumors about what happened on 27 September. So currently, there is no such, there is no new statements by the state government, Sakshi, because yesterday, I can also tell you that what happened yesterday at AIA DMK General Secretary Edappadi Palaniswamy's campaign, where he has slammed DMK, stating that DMK is not given proper has not made the state government has not made proper arrangements. That is why the 41 innocents have lost their life in this situation. So he has slammed at the DMK, the state government. And on the other hand, now the latest that we are going to track is the Madurai bench of Madras High Court's hearing, which will be happening at 10:30 a.m. Sakshi.
So yeah, let's just pause and quickly take a look at the visuals that we have collected from our sources and through social media. What exactly happened on that night during the rally? Some visuals coming in, we are playing it out. Can we have these visuals running on the full screen stream? We can see people were desperately trying to catch TVK Vijay's attention. As my colleague Toya told, that the rally went on even when people were dying there on the roads because of suffocation. This one video shows you how one man fainted and others were trying to resuscitate him, trying to help him. One man went beyond, carried the man on his shoulder as he tried making way towards the ambulance. This is another man, this person, he was making gestures, he was shouting, trying to catch Vijay's attention, who continued with his rally. This person was trying to tell that people are suffocating here. They're at the loss of breath. There's no way this huge crowd can maneuver through a bottleneck route. Who was exactly here at the fault? Who should be blamed for this? Authorities, TVK, or the people who went beyond the controllable number? So yeah, we have run out of time on the conversation, so I would like to thank you for providing us all the details, all the context, the latest one coming in with regards to this incident that transpired there in Karur.